Hello guys, we're gonna be playing some micro battles from some Blue Team. We're on Blue Team, so
he feels he is the greatest thing since sliced bread. That's what Maui is. You're welcome. Disney's Moana, now playing in 3D, rated PG.
Oh.
Your imagination is your gateway to adventure. So get ready for all the amazing experiences that will bring the whole family together. Lego Dimension is a proud-sponsored Disney channel.
No! No, 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 I lost.
Smile on your face, then you know you're having fun. Evolution Flicker is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
1, 2, 3. On. Not everybody has these stone blocks and ladders. It's just my kit because I actually do play this.
Capri Sun Organic is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
Dance, be silly, and have a little fun when hanging out with your pets. Being playful is all part of showing them how much you care. I love you, Georgie. Georgie is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel.
Let's get back to spanking again in The Little Rascals on Disney Channel.
Okay.
Oh, and you can hear maybe watching this show. It's actually my brother watching it, and I'm just he's in my room watching it. So no! I'm waiting on them to get up here. I'm actually gonna go to the candy canes. I wonder if I can grab. Whoopsies. Grab. Never mind. There's a blue and a yellow. No! Puck. What I've done. I know this was very, very, very short, so sorry about that. So bye.